welcome back to my channel. All my new viewers, welcome to Anika's channel. Thank you so much for joining in, and today I will be showing you guys how I came up with this beautiful yellow and green glitter look. I wanted to go very simple on this look, but I ended up adding some green to it and it just came up really pretty. I love it. So are you guys excited? I am really excited to show you how I got this, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. All my new viewers, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to see more of Anika and all this cute look, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Everyone, please click on the like button and also share this video to your friends and family. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already moisturized my face with my favorite moisturizer, La Roche-Posay. You all know that. Now I'm going to add some of this Fraud Ray Beauty Rose Face Milk. This is by ColourPop. Just gonna add some on my face. Now I am going to add some primer, which is the Milani Prime Shield. It's time for foundation. I am going to use the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Foundation. The shade is 309. It's caramel beige. Yeah, I want to do something different. I want to use a buffing brush to apply my foundation, and I want to see how it works on my skin. I don't do it at all, like not even. I've tried it once or twice, but I don't do it more because I feel like it just exfoliates my face. But it definitely gave me a very nice finish. It's beautiful. I like it. It's not bad. I think I'm gonna do it more often now. It's looking beautiful on my skin, the brush. Now I need to reconsider more. Should I use a brush or a beauty blender? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyebrows first, then I am coming back. So my brows are all done. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, I will definitely give you guys the link in the description box below. I do have my eyebrow routine, which is a very recent routine, and I will definitely give you guys the link in the description box. Don't forget to check that. Today I will be using this Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadow. As you guys can see, it's in yellow and I'm wearing a yellow top, so let's try it. It's a liquid eyeliner, liquid eyeshadow. This is my first time using a liquid eyeshadow, and let's see how it goes. Ooh, it's very bright. So I'm gonna use this fluffy flat brush. Just going to pack, or kind of like blending it to my lid basically. Wow, it's very bright. I like it. Ooh, it's looking pretty. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some on the brush and apply it with the brush. Wow, it's actually looking a lot more pigmented when I'm applying with a brush. pretty. I'm going a little messy, not trying to be precise or anything, but trying to pack that on my eye area. It's looking beautiful. Wow, I like it. This is absolutely pretty. I like this. It's looking nice. Okay, then this comes with a glitter also. Wait, let's try this. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow, this is very, very pretty. Wow, it's big. I would say this is the easiest eye makeup I have ever done in my life. It's so easy to work with, and I think it's very beautiful. Eyes are done. Let's do some concealing. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. The shade is Amber. It's my favorite concealer. I'm just concentrating around my under eyes, and also trying to like give it a wing look. Some on my eyeliner. I mean, where I applied eyeshadow, like outer corner of my eyes. Some right there, some on my chin, around my mouth, and my nose. And I am going to blend all this with my beauty blender. I love this concealer. You guys can see it just gives like a instant brightness on the face, and I really like to see my under eyes bright, and this is like the best concealer I have ever had in my collections, and I love this. I will probably keep buying it like rest of my life basically. This is the perfect shade, perfect coverage and everything. I think this is the one of the best drugstore concealer anyone can have in their list. So just making sure all are looking nice and blended. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to contour. I'm going to do some cream contour today. So using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the shade is Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to contour my usual areas. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go over with my beauty blender, and I'm just going to make sure all the harsh lines are blended, and it's not looking so cakey. It's like I put something on my nose. should look like skin. Set my under eyes. I'm using the Huda Beauty Banana Bread. It's the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. You all know this. This powder, it's a jam. I love it. It's very, very good. Plus the smell. Oh my god. The smell. The smell is so good. I'm going to use this brush. It's from Real Techniques. Just gonna take some here. Basically putting it wherever I have concealed or put concealer, those areas. So now it's all looking nice and set. It's time to set my contour. To set that, I will be using my NYX contour palette. You all know I love this one. I use it all the time. So today I'm going to use this BH Cosmetic brush. It's brush number 4. I'm going to take this shade right here. Just going to take that. Tap the excess. It's going to concentrate on the areas I contoured. I'm going very light-handed with that because this cream is, this palette is really pigmented and I don't want to look like muddy. So I'm going very light-handed and making sure it's all looking nice. To do my nose contour, I'm using the same brush, taking the same shade. Just gonna do a small line right here from here. Going to diffuse it. Just adding some shadows. Going over again with the beauty blender. Making sure everything is looking nice. All looking pretty. So for eyes, now I want to add some more color, especially to my under eyes. This yellow shade, I'm taking that and going over the green. Then taking this green shade next to it, let me see, it calls Daddy. That's the shade name. Taking that green and going over very close to my waterline, going over there. Just making sure it's all looking blended and nice. Ooh, it's looking nice. I'm just smoking that out, that green. Kind of like smoking it out, basically. Going a little intense with the wing I just created. Nice. So now I'm taking this Morphe M433 brush. It's a flat brush. I'm taking that brush and I'm going with this shade. I'm taking that shade and kind of like going on top of the wing I just created. I'm just blending the line. So you guys can see it's looking very nice and diffused. Let's go over with the setting spray, which is the continuous setting spray by Morphe. Shake, shake, shake. Now just put it on the face. Now I am just going over with the flat of the beauty blender and making sure everything is looking nice and set. So now I'm just gonna pop some falsies in, and I'm coming back. I'm using this NYX lip pencil by NYX. I'm just going to line my lips. Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. The shade is Rebel Rose. I'm just gonna pop some of this. So it's all looking nice and set, and I am coming back. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching me creating this beautiful look. This look, you guys can wear it since summer is coming, almost here, knocking at the door. We all probably have some plans to going out and all, though this time it's a little critical to go out and it's instructed to stay home, but we do go out sometimes, right? So since we don't get to wear a lot of makeup, so why not? I would do that, of course. And yeah, all my new viewers, welcome to Anika's channel. If you guys have enjoyed it and want to see more of this, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and it will keep you guys updated. Everyone, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. I will see you guys on next Friday. Till then, everyone, stay safe and stay home. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.